Have you ever been frustrated with your bank? Maybe you've been charged fees for things you didn't understand, or maybe you felt like your bank just doesn't care about your needs. If so, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to talk about NorthOne, a new type of bank that is designed to meet the needs of small businesses and entrepreneurs. NorthOne offers a variety of accounts that are designed to help you manage your finances and grow your business. Before we get into the details of NorthOne's accounts, let's take a step back and talk about what makes NorthOne different from other banks. One of the biggest things that sets NorthOne apart is its focus on small businesses and entrepreneurs. NorthOne understands that small businesses have unique needs, and they've designed their products and services to meet those needs. Another thing that makes NorthOne different is its commitment to transparency and simplicity. NorthOne's fees are clear and easy to understand, and there are no hidden charges or surprises. Now let's take a look at the different types of accounts that NorthOne offers. Business Checking Account. The Business Checking Account is NorthOne's most basic account. It comes with a variety of features, including unlimited transactions, free ATM withdrawals, mobile banking, online banking, bill pay, check writing. The Business Checking Account is a great option for small businesses that need a basic checking account to manage their finances. Business Savings Account. The Business Savings Account is a great way to save money for your business. It offers a competitive interest rate and there are no minimum balance requirements. Business Credit Card. The NorthOne Business Credit Card is a great way to finance your business expenses. It offers a variety of benefits, including no annual fee, low introductory APR, cashback rewards, fraud protection. Business Line of Credit. A business line of credit is a flexible financing option that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as covering unexpected expenses, financing seasonal inventory, making capital improvements. Business Term Loan. A business term loan is a longer-term financing option that can be used to purchase equipment, make renovations, or expand your business. NorthOne offers a variety of accounts that are designed to meet the needs of small businesses and entrepreneurs. Whether you're looking for a basic checking account or a more sophisticated financing option, NorthOne has you covered. If you're looking for a bank that is committed to helping you grow your business, I encourage you to check out NorthOne. You can learn more about NorthOne at their website or by giving them a call. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on small business and entrepreneurship. I hope this script is helpful.